Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Oh, I just realized I still had this on. I've got this splash park that I love bringing my toddlers to. It's absolutely perfect, you guys. It's like a whole huge area of just like random sprinklers that are like in the shapes of like palm trees and airplanes, but there's no actual accumulation of water where it's like a pool. So I feel comfortable just kind of sitting on the sidelines and letting them run around and get their yayas out. It's literally perfect. I'm not afraid of anyone drowning. I don't feel like I have to be, 1,000% vigilant and right up their ass. I mean, of course you watch your toddlers, but you get what I'm saying. Anyhow, we've been going there all the time and that's what this is from. Hi, hello. If you are new here, I'm so glad you're here. My name is Jeannie. If you're returning, I'm so glad you're back. You guys, before we jump into today's video, I want to mention I've got a really amazing giveaway going on right now. It's actually being sponsored by a company called Your Skincare. That video posted earlier today. In case you missed it, or in case this is your first time here checking out my channel, this giveaway will be open for 1 week, and you'll basically, the winner will have an opportunity to take the skincare quiz online and get $180 worth of these amazing skincare products that will be tailored to your skincare quiz. So it'll be tailored to you and your specific skincare needs. I've been using this stuff for months now. It's literally amazing, and I'm so glad that one of you are going to get to win a chance to try this. So I'll have that linked in the description box below, just in case you missed it and you want to check it out and you want to get your entry. Okay, for today's video, you guys, I've got my first TRENDMOOD box, and it's so funny because one of you here on the channel, her name is also Jeannie, she messaged me about a week or so ago and was like, I see that you follow TRENDMOOD. Did you know that there was a box available? And I'm like, I didn't know, but I went and I looked and I'm like, oh my God, I need this. So she actually sent me a code, and I think the boxes are like $44, but she sent me a code that I could use that knocked it down to like $39.60. And for what's in it, I thought that was a fabulous deal. And it's so funny because I am following them on Instagram, but I had no idea who they are or what they were. I didn't even know that they were a thing. I guess just for some reason I'm following them. But I was so glad that she reached out and let me know about this because I think it's fabulous. And I can't wait to share with you what I got. So I really like the packaging when you open it up. It is packaged very nicely. And let's see. So I will let you know the whole reason that I wanted this box was because of all of the Keys Soul Care products. So Keys Soul Care is Alicia Keys makeup and skincare line. I really am intrigued by the whole line. I've tried the Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum and one of the like cream blushes. I think both of them came from BoxyCharm, or maybe one was BoxyCharm, one was Ipsy, whatever, it really doesn't matter, but I love them both and I wanted to try some more things. So we do have a card and it says Kapari times Ulta. And it says new Ultra Restore Body Butter with Hyaluronic Acid. It says the body butter that sold out 3 times and has 5 stars. It smells so good. It's rich, creamy, and very moisturizing, which I guess is like a review that they pulled offline. So we did get the Kapari Ultra Restore Body Butter with Hyaluronic Acid. You guys, I did open this to smell it. It smells amazing. I love Kapari products. Oh my God, it just literally smells like a day on the beach, like a pina colada. It smells so good. That is the texture, and I want to try a little bit. So it's almost got like, let's see if I can show you, kind of like a jelly-ish texture. And we're gonna, it does have hyaluronic acid to kind of help your skin retain moisture. Oh my God. It is soaking into my skin so nicely. Oh yeah. I don't love like body butters and lotions that leave me like a greasy feel behind. It's already gone. Like it's just boom, soaked in. and it did leave my hand looking nice and moisturized. And yes, the smell is heaven. This is something that I could definitely see myself repurchasing if I ever got through it, because that's a lot of product. That is 7.7 fluid ounces in there. So that is a hefty size for the product. Okay. Next, I did get from First Aid Beauty, which is another brand that I do really enjoy. This is the Cleansing Oil and Makeup Remover. This is right up my alley. I am a dry skin type, although with my most recent skincare regimen, with the company that I was talking to you guys about in the intro of the video, my skin has improved a lot. But I still really do like oil-based cleansers, that kind of thing. I feel like it's just best for my skin type. And I also feel like cleansers with oil really break your makeup up. So a lot of times I'll do like a double cleanse. I'll use an oil-based product to really break up the makeup, and then I'll go in with something else to just kind of finish the job off. But like I said, I do like this brand, and I have not tried this product, so I am excited. It is a full-size product. Again, we get 5 fluid ounces, so a ton of product in there. And next, this is not anything that I have heard of before. It is, I guess, by Wildcat, I guess, WLDKAT, and it is their Orchid Stem Cell Magnolia Berry Eye Gel. Yeah, so we got an eye gel. I do love eye products, so I'm excited to give it a try. That is the packaging there. Kind of like a standard size for an eye product. Just kind of want to check the texture out. Oh, okay, that looks really nice. I did not use it. It definitely came with a big goop of it missing. Interesting. Ooh, I just got it on my nose. So honestly, I detect no scent at all. It could be because all I can smell is the intense yumminess of this Kapari at the moment. So it's very possible that this could have a slight scent to it. I just can't detect it at the moment. But I'm excited to give it a try. And then we got something from the line Origins, and this is their Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. Okay, so this is their oil-free moisturizer, which I have tried in like a mini size, I believe, from Ipsy. I love the brand. This is just not really my type of product. I like a little bit of a heavier moisturizer. Now I do sometimes like gel moisturizers for underneath makeup. It just really depends. But I have a lot of moisturizers right now in my collection that I just adore. And I think because this is a nice product, I will probably use it for a giveaway here on the channel. And it is a full size again. Everything is full size, so. Next, from Keys Soul Care, we did get another cream blush. This is the Sheer Flush Cheek Tint, and it's in the shade Sensual. Now, I do know from personal experience, because I have another one of these cheek tints in my collection, that the color upon first seeing it can be scary. Like, I saw this and I'm like, oh my God, I can't use that for my skin tone. But the other one seemed like ridiculously like red or something like that. But no, it definitely gives you color. Like, there's pigment in it, but it can be sheared out, it can be built up. You really can do what you want with it, and it's such a nice formula. It didn't budge. Sometimes cream products can slide around even on dry skin girls, but this product did not budge. I'm talking about the one that I've used, but let's just go ahead and give it a try. Yeah, because I mean, that color looks scary, but we're just going to pop a little bit of color on these cheeks. I was in the water with the kids earlier, so the blush that I did have on is pretty much gone. So we'll just add some flush to my cheeks. See what I mean? Like, I got a little bit out. Ooh, I don't have a wipe with me right here. I got a little bit out on my finger. You can absolutely use a brush. In fact, with the other one that I have, I do use a brush and just kind of stipple it on. But I just kind of wanted to show that the color might look scary in case you got this box yourself, but that does not mean it is unwearable in any sense of the word. Definitely give it a try. These are amazing. And I'd really, really like to see if there's any like really bright pink ones. I love a good pale pink in the summer. I just love blush, period. And I'm so glad that blush is finally having a moment in the beauty community. I feel like it should be. Blush is so beautiful, and there's nothing more fun than summer makeup. I like to kind of go like, even this eye look is like a bit much for what I do in the summertime. Now come the fall, come the winter, I do it up with the eye looks. And sometimes I will in the summer too. I'll just get in that kind of mood. But for the most part, I like to kind of go easy with the eyes, just very simple looks, really play up my lashes with mascara, maybe do a fun pop of color in the waterline. But what I really love summer for with makeup is playing with blushes, really playing up those fun pops of color on your cheek, and you can just get away with it in the summer. So I love that, and I am really happy to have this. I also, from again the brand Keys Soul Care, did get the Natural Flush Complexion Brush. It says that this soft, cruelty-free, and vegan complexion brush is a flattened dome. God, it's so small. It's hard to read with my ring light shining on it. It's a domed shape that applies, blends, and diffuses liquid and cream formulas. Oh man, I could have used this for the cream blush. Cool. I am all about my cream products. I love cream bronzers, cream contours, cream blushes, cream highlights. I love a cream product. So I'll definitely get some use out of this. And I'm sure you could really use it for, you know, whatever you wanted to. But that is what it looks like. It feels really nice. It feels nice and luxe. And it also looks that way. It feels really soft. Let's just kind of use that to kind of pat in that blush. It says it can be used to diffuse, blend in. Yeah, cool. I'm excited. Feels really nice. And then we also got two from the brand Keys Soul Care. We got two comforting tinted lip balms. One is in the shade Lucid, which appears to be like a clear shade. And then the other one is in the shade Manifestation, which looks to be kind of like a corally orangish shade, which I'm not too crazy about orangish, kind of like warm orangish shades on my lips. I'm just not, but it might be that my Pomeranian just jumped up to say hello. It might be that it just gives a wash of color. You don't know. I do really like the packaging. It's got that deep purple, and that is the shade. Let's give it a little swatch just to see what kind of color it provides. Okay, so that was 2 passes. So yes, a very sheer. Let's just go for it. Oh. It feels really nice on the lips, and it's not super warm and orange. So yeah, I think that I will definitely enjoy that. Let's check out this one, because I'm curious, like, is there any shimmer to it? Is it just a clear balm? Because it does say on here, it literally says tinted. It says comforting tinted lip balm, and the shade is Lucid. Same packaging. Okay, so I'm assuming that this is just clear. Yeah, and that is just a clear balm. I don't detect any scent with these. this would be good for like to throw in your purse for, or maybe on the nightstand for nighttime moisture before you go to bed. Either way, Jeannie, thank you so much for putting me onto this box. I will definitely be keeping my eye out for the next one. So when you order this box, it's not a mystery. You know exactly what you're going to get. But I just still wanted to share it with you. I thought this was a freaking amazing box. We got a huge Kapari body butter, and you guys, it smells so good. It smells like summer to a T. It really, really does. And we got the Stem Cell Wild Orchid Eye Gel. We got the Keys Soul Care Blush. We got 2 of the tinted lip balms. We got the First Aid Beauty Makeup Remover. We've got the Keys Soul Care Sheer Cheek Tint. I could not get that out for a minute. And then also the Origins Ginseng Gel Moisturizer. So that is a win. That is a win to me. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have got TRENDMOOD in the past, or if you picked this one up, and if you got it yet, what do you think about the products? And if you didn't get it, are you planning on checking them out next time? Bye.